Hey friends, Lando here. Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to tackle an ongoing problem every motorcycle I own. Leaky fork seal. The culprit today is my 2015 Sherco 300 SE-R. That is a 2-stroke, kind of full-on hard enduro bike. So really, all I'm doing here is actually cleaning the dust seal. Okay, first, we're going to remove the front wheel so we can get these lower stanchion guards off. One thing, I've learned this the hard way. Whenever you've got your front wheel off, do not squeeze that front brake lever. And to clean the lowers just of debris while I'm doing this whole process, I'm just using like an electrical contact cleaner. That way it's not abrasive, as well as it's safe for plastics and that sort of thing. Oh, here we go. I'm going to pull this guy down. I'm going to clean up under there. Look at that. You can already see so much crap on there. Blasting all the gunk out of the seal. Should probably do this more often. Oh my god, look at this. Look at that. It's nasty. Also, these small little steel, like chainsaw, weed whipper, screwdrivers, it's a flat head. I don't know if you can see that. They're so good for just like scraping tight to get areas. Like, look at that. That was all sitting inside my dust cover. Well, now that I got most of the dust covers all cleaned off here, I'm gonna clean the main fork seal now. I'm just gonna use this small feeler gauge here, 0.10 millimeter. There you go. It's not gonna damage anything. It's like freaking paper pretty much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slide it up, and I want to keep it on like a 45-degree angle. Get any of the dirt from the seal and bring it down with the oil. You can see how much crap I just got from there. Maybe you can't see. Maybe you can see there. So you just keep working your way around the seal. You don't want to lose too much oil. But just enough that it's going to wash it down off the lower stanchion there. So pretty much at the point now where we can apply some white lithium grease. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We've fully cleaned out, re-lubed up those dust seals. Everything's back together, wheels back on, axles lubed up. I suppose that's all. Maybe I'll give you a startup of the Sherco. Alright, well, I might as well wake the entire town of Canmore up and start this baby up for you. Well, that's everything for today. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of start documenting a lot of the stuff I'm doing. Mountain biking, fishing, motorcycles, dirt bikes, snowboards, whatever, trucks, camping. Let me know what you want to see, but until then.